Today I'll be talking about what you can do when you get a computer virus. A lot of people like to look at I can maybe get it fixed with the antivirus program. Sure, give that a try. I don't really recommend it once you get a virus because one is if you have sensitive information on your computer, you don't know how it might be compromised by that virus. And so even if you try to remove it with an antivirus program, I've seen it many times where like the virus can just or the spyware can recreate itself and put itself back into your computer. It'll put itself into your restore files, and so uh, computer viruses are pretty tough. And so if you want, try any one of the big ones, Norton, McAfee, Node 32. Hopefully can remove it. In this video, I'm more talking about uh, number one is back up your data to another drive, an external drive if you can, because some of these viruses it can modify your personal data and even just delete it. So just back it up if you can. Number two is you can try resetting your computer. This is actually one nice feature with Windows 10 that usually can help fix your computer. And so this is only a solution for Windows 10. Uh, there are system restores in Windows 7 and Windows 8. I think Windows 10 and Windows 8 are very similar. But resetting your computer with Windows 10 is pretty decent. You can just Google it, reformat Windows, and it'll take you to something like this where it says, how to reset your Windows 10 PC with Windows 10. Go into settings, which I'll just go into the article itself. I'll include this in the description because it's actually pretty useful. So go into settings by typing down over here, or you can click on the Microsoft icon. Click Update and Security. Click Recovery on the left side. And then once that loads, you can click on this part where it says Reset your PC. Get started. And the nice thing is you can keep your files. And hopefully that fixes most of your problems. I usually recommend the last option, which is number 3, is a complete reformat using a USB drive. And just Google Windows Media Creation Tool. For Windows 10, it's very ideal because they do everything for you. You just have to install the app. For Windows 8.1 and Windows 7, it's a little more complicated. I won't go into that because most people don't have these machines anymore, but you can download the installation ISO files for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. It's somewhere there in the web, and then use a tool to create a USB installation device. But Windows 10 is actually very easy. Just download this application and then run it, and it'll ask you what drive do you want to install it onto. It'll download it for you and everything. So again, this goes back to why didn't I recommend using an antivirus program? It's just I've used antivirus programs before, and more often than not, it does a good job of removing most of it, but there's always something that's lurking, and I'm just very hesitant to recommend anyone just because of there's private data onto there. If they're sending any type of private data, like any spyware or a virus is sending over that data, it's just not safe. And so, and again, I don't say I'm qualified for any of this. I am just a regular person who fixes computers on the side. Just thought this might be useful. You can do your own due diligence, and research this. Using an antivirus program, you can probably spend a few hours or more trying to get rid of that virus. or you can kill it completely with a reformat. So that's all I'm just saying. So good luck. I know this is very stressful now that if you're looking at this video, you probably have a virus. So good luck, and I hope you can remove it.